Hi, I'm Gil from Testing Gil. In this series, I'm talking about APIs and API testing, how to come up with different cases, how to figure out what's important to test, and what we need to understand in order to come up with it. APIs seem simple, but they hide complexity. And I'm not talking about the code and what the API does. I'm talking about the API structure. An API consists of four parts. A method, get or post, but there are others, look. It has a URL. We call that also an endpoint. Then we have the headers. These are standard or custom fields to use. We pass authentication tokens in headers. Or we can ask a response to come back in XML through a header field. Or we send cookies to the servers that secretly implanted on my laptop as header fields. Finally, there's the request body or payload. It can contain everything, JSON, XML, binary data, any of those or encoded in different ways. Of course, each request returns a response containing both a status code header and its own response body. It can look as what we expected or something completely different. So just right off the bat, we don't even think about what the API does. The combinations are really endless. And that's just one API. We usually don't come alone. Workflows means we call different combinations of APIs. Now go and test all that. We build complex software. And we want to make sure that a lot of the complexity comes just from the infrastructure that we use. So think about that when you're testing your next APIs. That's a lot of work, but that's a challenge in testing. We'll talk about that soon. Meanwhile, thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, maybe check out my other videos and leave me some feedback in the comments. Thank you.